Lipstick is one of the most common cosmetic products in the world. Millions of women use it every single day. Every morning, the lipstick touches the lips, but we rarely stop to think about what it is actually made of and how complex this product really is. In this video, I take an ordinary lipstick, the same kind that is used every day. Each step takes time, because at this scale, precision matters. Preparing the microscope for detailed observation. This moment is about setup and accuracy, getting everything ready before exploring what lies beneath the surface. At 80 times magnification, the lipstick smear fills the frame as a wide, uneven field. Instead of a smooth surface, I see thousands of tiny dark particles spread across the slide. The layer looks granular and irregular. Some areas are densely packed with material, while others appear lighter and more transparent. At this scale, the particles are still very small and difficult to distinguish individually, but it already becomes clear that the lipstick is not a uniform substance. At 200 times magnification, the structure becomes more defined and organized. The particles now form visible clusters grouped together in irregular shapes and patterns. Between these darker clusters, lighter areas appear where the material is less concentrated. The smear no longer looks continuous. It becomes clear that the lipstick consists of many separate components, rather than a single smooth layer. This magnification shows how the product distributes unevenly, even when it appears perfectly smooth to the naked eye. At 800 times magnification, the internal structure becomes much more detailed. Individual pigment clusters are now clearly visible. They appear as dense, irregular formations with rough edges and varied shapes. Between the larger clusters, numerous tiny particles fill the surrounding space, creating a dense and complex texture. The surface looks layered and fragmented, as if made from countless microscopic pieces pressed together. This level reveals how much complexity exists inside a product that feels smooth and simple during everyday use. At 2000 times magnification, the image changes completely. The structure now fills the entire frame, and the individual clusters break down into even finer components. Highly irregular shapes, layered textures, and tiny elongated and rounded particles become visible. The material no longer resembles a cosmetic product at all. It looks like a dense microscopic environment formed by countless interacting particles. At this scale, it becomes clear that what we apply daily to our skin is the result of a complex mixture of substances, carefully combined on a microscopic level. This is what an everyday lipstick looks like under the microscope, from a simple smear to a complex microscopic structure. If you found this interesting, support the video by leaving a like. Write in the comments what you would like to see next under the microscope: cosmetics, food, or everyday objects. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more microscopic explorations of the hidden world around us.